In this video, I'm going to tell you the secret to unlocking free world travel. With these 5 tips, you will cut your travel costs by 80%. Make sure to watch to the end because you won't believe what number 5 is. Ride a bike. Bikes are fast, quiet, cheap to buy, and easy to fix. Plus, you can go places that you can't get to with public transport. Riding a bike is the ultimate way to see a new country. Plan your own route and go at your own pace, and you will discover places that you never would have imagined. Riding a bicycle will take your travel to the next level. But if you really want to up your game, consider taking a folding bike, like this one. It's the Swiss Army knife of cycling. A folding bike is easy to store, can be carried on public transport, and even on aircraft, allowing you to access places you never thought possible. The addition of a folding bike means that you can travel using different modes of transport and different styles of traveling. You can always leave the bike in a hotel room and go and explore a new city by foot. Or you can turn it into the ultimate bikepacking machine and go on a self-supported adventure. And if you ever get tired, you always have the option of taking an easier route with the folding bike. Accommodation costs are one of the biggest costs for traveling. You can save a lot of money by camping out and taking a tent so that you can stay for longer without breaking the bank. I take a cheap dome tent with me. I bought it secondhand and it only cost me a few dollars, but you can take anything you like. A hammock, a bivvy, a tarpaulin, even just a sleeping bag, and it will allow you to open up a whole new world of adventure and save a great deal of money. Cooking your own meals means that you can travel further away from civilization and explore wilderness areas while also being self-supported on your travel. But it does mean carrying some extra gear. Preparing cold food like sandwiches is quick and easy, or if you want some extra comfort, a nice hot meal at the end of the day will go a long way. Perhaps the most important thing to remember is take enough water so that you don't get dehydrated when you're out there on your travels. One of the more important bits of advice is make sure to get enough rest. Traveling like this is extremely rewarding, but it can be exhausting. Making sure you get a good night's sleep and are well rested will ensure that your travels go smoothly and that you have fun and exciting adventures along the way. Give yourself a day off every now and then. Check into a campsite or a hotel and rest and regroup. This will ensure that you're in a good headspace for decision making, navigating, and just having a good time in general while you're out there. Be adaptable when it comes to your itinerary, and make sure that you can always change your mind and change your route as you need to. Being able to change your plans on the road will give you more options when it comes to where to go, where to stay, and what to do. And you may even find places that you never knew existed and want to stay for a little longer. It's always good to have this option, and it means that you'll be able to save money in the long run. Being adaptable can relate to all of the other points in this video and lead to greater opportunities with where you stay, how you travel, what you eat, where you sleep, and more. If you have any tips on how to travel for free, please leave them down below in the comments. Thanks for watching.